So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the details of your processor, the real details, not the forged one, or the people can now easily change the details on the settings app of your system. So how you can find the real details of the processor. Now, in order to do it, simply open Start menu and search for System Information right there, and it will look something like this. Now just simply open this particular software. Now here only, under this section of processor, you'll find the details of your genuine processor. Here you can see when you click over there, it will show you. For me, it's AMD Ryzen 5 5600 series, and this is the original details of my processor. It cannot be forged or it cannot be altered. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.